Hello everybody, I am Ankit Singh and this is my C++ project which I am going to discuss. So I have named it Type2C. This is a multiplayer typing test game which I implemented in C++ using the concept of socket programming. So why did I choose it? I chose it to learn socket programming and to understand how real-time communication between clients and servers works. So my objective was to build a multiplayer typing test game. Uh, like I have used a very simple calculation for checking the words per minute and accuracy, and I wanted to make it cross network. So you can just put IP of the server and play alongside with your friends in the same network. And my secondary objectives were improving all the errors and make it cross platform such that a person on Windows and a person on Linux both can play. Okay. So what are the features of my project? These are multiplayer uh, project, and I only made it such that only two players can connect. Two players can play at one time, but later we can scale it up to more than two players. And then yeah, real-time communication cross network using uh, server's IP address, and the it will display all the results after the game ends. Okay, so how does it work? The client server model. So the server waits for client connections, and the server sends the when the client connects to the server, it sends the text that is to be typed to both the clients. And then what the clients do is they calculate the words per minute accuracy and all, and then it's sent to the server, and that's how we get it. This is the implementation. Feel free to read by pausing the video. And this is a very pseudocode thing, like how it works. Let's start with the demo. So this is how it should work. Let's go through the code first. So yeah, so this is the server.cpp code that I have made, and I have also used all the comments to make sure it is readable enough. So these are all the questions, all the texts that could be asked in the typing test, and I have pretty much made a lot of error handling things. So this is the main server CPP. Now it's the client CPP, and the same. I have used a lot of error handling in here. So feel free to pause and read. And I also added a how to run.txt file in the GitHub repository. So from there you can see how to compile all the files. So now let us run the program and see how it works. So it works using two devices, but just for sake of simplicity, I will show only using my own device, and it should count as different clients since I'm running different instances of it. So now I'm entering the IP address of the server, as you can see. So now it's connected. Okay, see, your client is connected, and now I'm going to run it again. So to make another instance, I will just put the IP address again. So see, we are good to go with the test. Now I'm going to write something here and just submit it. Okay, and in the other client also I will just write something and then I will submit. So as we can see, both of them show the results, your results and the final results of player 1 and 2. Player 1 is the one who joined first, uh, and player 2 is the one who's joined next. And in the server also we can see the words per minute and accuracy of all those things. Okay, now let's if I have added it to the GitHub also, and in future enhancements, I could say I would go for multiple player support, like four or five, six or even eight players, and real-time progress tracking. So it would change either complexity of words per minute function. Those things will change difficulty levels, like how difficult the text is to write, and maybe a leaderboard system that would be saved. That we could see through the server. And I would give a huge thanks to Type Racer because this was the inspiration for my project. Type Racer is a web-based same thing. So Thank you for listening to my video, and that's it.